everyone, and welcome to Mary's Corner. I hope you're having a great day. Well, today we're going to do something different. We are going to have a product review. And today what we're going to review is the Mr. Coffee, one serving, single serving, hot and cold iced coffee, I should say, coffee maker. So let's make a cup of iced coffee. And we're going to see how this all comes out. So what I forgot to say is the coffee maker comes with a tumbler. And no matter what you make, hot or cold coffee, they have a water line right there. It says water. And they also have an ice line for the iced coffee. So we're going to first start off with filling up the cup with the water. So this coffee maker, first of all, has a nice filter. And, which is nice because you just put your coffee in here and you don't have to worry about getting pods all the time. So now what we're going to do is, this is the water reservoir, and now we're going to fill up the reservoir with the water here. So now we're going to make a cup of coffee. So on the side of the machine, there's actually a scooper for iced and cold coffee. It gives the desired amount of coffee you should have. So by looking at the scooper here, there's a hot coffee cup, which is the right amount for making a hot cup of coffee. There's also a snowflake, which is the perfect amount for iced coffee. So now I have my scoop of coffee, and I'm going to put it just right in the filter here, right? Then at this point, we just turn this lever onto here. Now the next thing to do is going to put ice in our cup. So now I filled up the ice to the fill line. And if you look on the side of the coffee maker here, they have buttons for hot brew and for over ice. So I'm going to press this button. And now it's going to start brewing, and it's going to go through its cycle, and this usually takes about a couple of minutes. So after it's done brewing, we'll see you then. So now the coffee's done brewing, and you're basically really set to go, but I like cream in my coffee here. I'm just going to pour my desired amount here. And now we're going to just see, and we're going to have the moment of truth, everyone. So let's try our iced coffee, everyone. Here it goes. Cheers. Very, very good. I give it a 10.5. It's very, very good. This is so much economical. Just brewing yourself a cup in the morning right at home. As you know, I love my Dunkin' Donuts. I am a Dunkin' junkie. But this is a very good alternative instead of always going to the coffee shop all the time, right? So now let's go make our hot coffee now, and we'll see how that goes, and we'll give that a rating. Before we make that hot cup of coffee, we have to empty out our filter. And as you can tell here, there is a nice handle, and you just pick it up and you take it to the sink and you dump it out, and then we'll get ready. So over here, as you can tell, I filled it up with the smaller scoop, which is for the hot. See, this is the cold one here. And now we can get ready for that hot cup of coffee. As you can tell, we have our coffee in the filter here. Now what we need to do is to fill the water reservoir. And we're going to go ahead and start brewing. And like I mentioned, on the side, we have our buttons here. We have the hot coffee and the cold coffee. And I already pressed the button for the hot. After it's done brewing, we're going to have our review on the hot coffee. If you want to, you can just basically pour it into a regular mug, but I'm just going to just drink it right from here. So here it goes. Very good. Very, very good. Actually, I like the hot better than the cold, but they're both very good. I give this an 11. So my review with the Mr. Coffee maker for the ice and cold beverages is a 10.5. A very nice product indeed. So grab yourself a cup of coffee today. It's more economical this way. So enjoy a cup. Take care, everybody. God bless, and remember, God loves you.